Hi there. We are here to discuss Java. In this section we will talk about Java programming language, its origin and installation. We will also talk about Foundation of Java Platform and Standard Edition, Java SE, History and Evolution, Installation and Features of Java, Environment Variable, Fundamentals of JDK, JRE, and JVM, Primitive Data Types, Variables, Constants, Operators. Now let's start our session. Java is a general-purpose computer programming language that is concurrent, class-based, object-oriented, and specifically designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is intended to let application developers write once, run anywhere, WRA, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. Java applications are typically compiled to bytecode that can run on any Java Virtual Machine, JVM, regardless of computer architecture, and is developed by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton. They initiated the Java language project in June 1991. Java was originally designed for interactive television, but it was too advanced for the digital cable television industry at the time at Sun Microsystems and released in 1995 as core component of Sun Microsystems' Java platform. The language derived its syntax from C and C++. Java is the most popular programming language in use, particularly for client-server web applications, and approximately 10 million reported developers. Latest version is Java 8, which is the only version currently supported for free by Oracle, although earlier versions are supported both by Oracle and other companies on a commercial basis. The language was initially called Oak after an oak tree that stood outside Gosling's office. Later the project went by the name Green and was finally renamed Java, from Java Coffee. Gosling designed Java with a C and C++ style syntax that system and application programmers would find familiar. Java is a programming language and it has many features like compiled and interpreted, platform independent, object-oriented, robust and secure, distributed, simple, small, and familiar, multi-threaded and interactive, dynamic and extensive code, and it is portable as well. Now let's talk about how Java is compiled and interpreted. You write a program with .java extension and compile it with Java C tool, then it is converted to .class file. Then the .class file is interpreted to machine code, and your program is executed. Java is platform-independent language. The .class file can be executed anywhere on any machine. It can run on any operating system, having JVM on it. This feature of Java makes it platform-independent. Java is an object-oriented programming language. In object-oriented programming system, the implementation revolves around the instance of the class. It has some features like classes, data abstraction, encapsulation, data hiding, inheritance, and polymorphism. Java is very robust and secure language. Java manages the memory automatically, with the help of garbage collector. This feature of Java makes it very robust. Java does not use any explicit pointers, hence makes it secure. The program of Java is compiled onto one machine, can be easily transferred to other machine and executes them on that machine because facility of bytecodes. Java programs can easily run on networks. Java is very simple language as it does not require any IDE for writing programs. Java is simple language because it contains many features of other languages like C and C++. Java removes complexity because it doesn't use pointers, storage, and go-to statements. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Java supports multithreading. A thread is like a separate program, executing concurrently. We can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. The main advantage of multithreading is that it doesn't occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia, web applications, etc. Advantages of Java multithreading. Improved performance and concurrency. Threads are independent, can perform multiple operations at same time. Simultaneous access to multiple applications, performs many operations together. Reduced number of required servers, one server can dispatch multiple service threads. Simplified coding of remote procedure calls and conversations, easier to code different remote procedure calls and conversations in separate threads than to manage them from the same thread. In Java we can create interactive GUI applications using Java Swing or AWT. This feature of Java helps in creating desktop applications. Java has dynamic and extensible code, means with the help of OOPS, Java provides inheritance. With the help of inheritance we reuse the code that is predefined and also uses all the built-in functions of Java and classes. The portability actually comes from architecture neutrality. In C/C++, source code may run slightly differently on different hardware platforms because of how these platforms implement arithmetic operations. In Java, it has been simplified. Now let's talk about installation of Java. Open your web browser and visit Oracle's official web page as shown. Choose your JDK version from the web page. Accept the license agreement and choose your operating system platform from the list given. Save your file. It will be downloaded to your system. Now open your download folder and run the file. We are doing it in Windows operating system. You can do the same for your operating system. File extension may vary in your system, depending on operating system. Follow the instructions while installing the JDK. Java is installed on your machine. You can check it in your C drives or operating system drives program file folder. You can see Java folder into it. It means Java is now installed to your machine. Now setting your environment variable in your computer. Go to your computer's properties and select Advanced System Settings. Select Environment Variables button from the pop-up dialog box. You can see another dialog box where you can find System Variable and User Variable. In System Variable select New and enter System Variable name as path, and in System Variable value write the exact path of your JDK path from Java folder. Click on OK. Your path has been set. Now open your command prompt to check your path has been set or not. On command prompt write javac and see the result. If output comes then your path is set, or if it is saying, javac is not recognized as internal or external command, then your path is not set. Follow the steps again. Now let's talk about the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. JVM is the acronym of Java Virtual Machine. JVM is an abstract machine. It is a specification that provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. The JVM performs following main tasks: loads code, verifies code, executes code, and provides runtime environment. Now the question is, what runtime environment is? It's called JRE in Java. Java Runtime Environment. It is a software package that contains what is required to run a Java program. It includes a Java virtual machine implementation together with an implementation of the Java class library. Java Development Kit, JDK, is a superset of a JRE and contains tools for Java programmers, like javac, JavaApp Compiler. The Java Development Kit is provided free of charge either by Oracle Corporation directly, or by the OpenJDK open source project, which is governed by Oracle. Now let's discuss about what is variable in Java. Variable is a name of memory location. There are three types of variables in Java: local, instance, and static. Variable is name of reserved area allocated in memory. In other words, it is a name of memory location. It is a combination of vary and able, that means its value can be changed. A data type is a classification of data which tells the compiler or interpreter how the programmer intends to use the data. Most programming languages support various types of data. In Java, there are two types of data types: primitive data types, and Non-primitive data types. You can see the list of data types in the video. Here it comes, our next topic to be very important, it's operators. Operator in Java is a symbol that is used to perform operations. There are many types of operators in Java which are given below. Unary operator, arithmetic operator, shift operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator and assignment operator. Hope you liked the video. In next session we will discuss about OOPS. Till then, thank you.